Good morning students. In my previous video, I explained you how to solve the sum and difference of two or more fractions. And today I am going to tell you about how to find out the product and the difference of two or more fractions, as well as how to simplify a complex fraction by using BODMAS rule. Okay, let us discuss about the questions. Question number 1. Convert the following improper fractions into mixed fraction. Improper fraction को mixed fraction में कैसे change करेंगे? Question part 1. 19/4. First of all, we divide 19 by 4. 4 ja 16 and the remainder is 3. Then it is written as in mixed form. 4, the quotient is in the whole place and the remainder is in, then this is the answer. This is the mixed form of this improper fraction. Okay, this is the second part. 30/7. 7 30. 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 21, 7 4 is 28. Then 7 4 is 28 and the remainder is 2. Then the improper fraction written as in mixed form 7 4 and 2, and this is the mixed form of this improper fraction. Question number 2. Convert the following mixed fraction into improper fraction. Part number 1 6 2 by 13. Part number 2 5 2 by 3. First, when we change mixed fraction into improper fraction, then we multiply 13 by 6 and then add the numerator. Then 13 multiply by 6 and add the numerator upon 13. Then we multiply 13 by 6. 13 6 is 78 plus 2 upon 13. 78 plus 2 80 upon 13, and this is the required improper fraction. Then part number 2 5 2 by 3. Again we solve as same process. First we multiply 3 by 5 and then add the numerator. 3 multiply by 5 plus 2 upon 3. 3 5s are 15 plus 2 upon 3. Then 15 plus 2 17 upon 3. This is the second required improper fraction. Simplify. Part 1. 4 whole 2 by 4 multiplied by 3 whole 4 by 6. First, this is the fraction is in mixed form. This is also. Then first we change the mixed fraction into improper fraction. 4 ja 16. 16 plus 2 18. 4 ja plus 2 upon 4. Multiply by 6 3 ja plus 4 upon 6. First we solve the multiply. 4 4 ja 16 plus 2 upon 4. Multiply 6 3 ja 18 plus 4 upon 6. Then we add 16 and 2. 16 plus 2 18 upon 4. Multiply 18 plus 4 22 22 upon 6. Then we reduced it. 6 1 ja 6, 6 3 ja 18, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2 and 2 1 ja 2. Then we multiply 3 by 11 and 2 by 1. 3 into 11, 33, 2 into 1, 2. And then we convert it into mixed form. 2, 33, 2 1 ja 2, 1, 3, 2 6 ja 12, 1. Then we write it to 16 and 1. This is the answer. Second part of the simplify, the question is 42 upon 5 divided by 7 upon 20. In this question, first we replace the sign of divide by the sign of multiply. 42 upon 5. Divide, change into multiply. Then after the digit of the sign, the digits, the fraction is reversed. Then the fraction is 20 upon 7. Then we reduce it. 5 1 ja 5, 5 4 ja 20, 7 1 ja 7, 7 6 ja 42. Then we multiply 6 into 4. 6 4 ja 24. Then 24 is the required answer. Question number 4, simplify. In this question, there are many operations. Then we use BODMAS rule in this question. In this question, we will use BODMAS rule. B for bracket, O for off, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition and S for subtraction. Then first we use bracket, then off, then divide. First we solve it. We convert it into improper fraction. 5 4 ja 20, 20 plus 3, 23 upon 5 plus 2 2 ja 4, 4 plus 1, 5 upon 2. Multiply 3 upon 5 minus 2 upon 5 and divided by 5 upon 8. Okay, according to BODMAS rule, first we remove the sign of divide. 23 upon 5 plus 5 upon 2 multiply by 3 upon 5 minus 2 upon 5 and we remove divide sign by the sign of multiply. Then the fraction is reversed. 8 upon 5. Then according to BODMAS rule, we solve multiply. 5 3 ja 15, 2 5 ja 10 minus 2 8 ja 16, 5 5 ja 25. Then we find out the LCM of 5, 10 and 25. Okay, LCM of 5, 10 and 25. 2 5 ja 10 and 25. 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5 and 5 5 ja 25. 1 1 and 5 1 ja 5. Then the LCM equal to multiply by 5 multiply by 5. 2 5 ja 10 and 10 5 ja 50. Then the LCM of 5, 10 and 25 is 50. Now the LCM of 5, 10 and 25 is 50. Then we divide 50 by 5. 5 10 ja 50 and 23 multiplied by 10 plus 10 5 ja 50 and 15 multiplied by 5 minus 25 2 ja 50 and 2 multiplied by 16. Okay, 23 multiplied by 10, 230 plus 15 5 ja 75 minus 16 2 ja 32 upon 50. Then first we add 230 and 75. 305 minus 32 upon 50. Then 305 minus 32. 5 minus 2, 3, 10, 10 minus 3, 7, and here 2 upon 50. Then we change into mixed form because it is a improper fraction. 273 divided by 50. 50 5s are 250. 3 minus 0, 3, 7 minus 5, 2, and 2 minus 2. Then it is written as in mixed form 50, 5, and the remainder is 23. This is the required answer of this simplifier. Okay, students, the worksheet related to this topic will be uploaded on our school website. Thank you, children.